Okay, Miles, you ready? I'm running.
I know you got the peace in the rain and most of them. Realize every moment won't be perfect, but I do enjoy all the mistakes that I made with you. You do. You've got a life. You've got a life. You've got a life. Sleeping. You've got a life. You've got a life. You've got a life. Sleeping.
Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bitch won't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you won't get no murders out me, bro.
Flex up, 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 steez up, steez up, steez up, steez up. Pick up the cake, yeah. I pick up the tray, yeah. Spread your bitch, she gave me face, yeah. I sprayed at the op, yeah. He got shot in the face. I'm on a codeine, I'm falling in love with codeine. I really be sipping the lean, I'm never sipping the green. I'm doing them drugs, me. I'm doing them drugs, me. That white hoe love me, that white bitch love me.
Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa.
6Bs, Bentleys, APs, that shit like 2-piece, FNs, red dots, chop your height. His bitch posted us on her story, now he tight. My bitch, she know better, she do that and she might die. I was buying Birkins at 18, that's why she don't mind the bees. Fuck you mean, my bird, fatal, rock 'em, cradle. I don't hang with bros, I don't take advice. Niggas snitching, meet in person, FaceTime bro device. Spent a quarter like a hoarder, ball like Jerry Rice.
Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa.
Bitch won't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you won't get no murders out me. Bitch won't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you won't get no murders out me.
Flip flop, drop top, swap out, photo rolls, hip hoppers, hit doctor, she sparkle it up. Whoa, 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 big as Bell Bronco, big ass chopper, rings line up. Whoa, 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 hella boppers, up me proper like the gobble. Whoa, whoa, rich and Millie, Aquia, I'm flipping that tilapia. Turn the temperature way up, they can't get in the way of us. Private invitation over everyone is safe to come. Gotta make my haters mad, give them something to talk about. Take a bitch from South of France, push her back to Waffle House. Murder on the case, I had to spaz, fuck a doggy style. I don't know how to be a normal nigga, one thing I forgot. I got blood, damn in the former, now I ball like basketball. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Bitch won't get no murders out me.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
The beat go off?
Hey, is this Sosa? Am I picking the Sosa right now? Who the fuck is you? Oh no, I just want you to explain something to me. Hey, explain your ass, nigga. I got some money on the way. Kill 'em with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't get grazed. I saw Superman, now you saved. Pussy before you eat, say your grace. You already know these bees, they not J's. I got her too high, she thinks she laced. I be on her head like a lace. Hey.
Beamed up, Bottega jeans, I ain't even. Bottega jeans, I ain't even. Bottega jeans, I ain't even wear 'em yet. Ain't walking in that bitch, they ain't pay me yet. She mad in the bed like you ain't slay me yet. Geekin', I'ma stake my DR bitch for Puerto Rican. 50 hoes flew in, we treat her Tuesday like the weekend. Suck me like you need me, I'ma bless you like a deacon. Tell a nigga die, ain't gon' lie, this shit ain't even. Catch her while she leaking, she gon' absorb all the semen. Worry about your streaming, all that reaching.
I got some money on the way. Kill 'em with counters, then piss on that grave. The nigga don't get hit, don't get grazed. I saw Superman, now you saved. Pussy before you eat, say your grace. You already know these bees, they not J's. I got her too high, she thinks she laced. I be on her head like a lace. Hey. I'm with my crew, win or lose. They on my boss, Terry Crews. Them 100 bands, they crip blue. I'm in a Humvee with 6 troops. What you wanna do? No fist too. Gave your bitch a sip of the wrist juice. Ay, she melting all on my wrist too. Ay, but I'm an icy nigga, it's cool. I got some money on the way. time cute. She wanna have sex.
Okay, it's us. I been falling, I was geeking, I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it, strike like I hit the pin, strike like I'm not gonna work, strike. You know that shit on real when you heard it, you know that guy ain't sip on drink till it's early. All of this Bottega shit I shopped at Burlington. Drink man had cracked the seal, I begged him to sell it to. Stars in the roof, this shit ain't nothing, I switched to coupe. Emo bitch, she like to go take shrooms, look like Betty Boop. Shit me, hop in SRTs and do Fruity Loops. He can't play me bank, I switch out whips like they switch out shoes. Okay, it's us. I been falling, I was geeking, I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it, strike like I hit the pin, strike like I'm not gonna work, strike, slide, shoulder, shoulder, Stack them old hunters, recreate Yoda. I don't put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster. It's a gun in my holster. New Balenciaga in Dover. 220. It's a 4 in my soda. Sit on a Balenciaga Costa. Okay, it's us. I been falling, I was geeking, I was high as fuck, tweaking. I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit, I was tryna strike shit like a match late night. Yeah, strike like I missed it, strike like I hit the pin, strike like I'm not gonna work, strike.
Put no crushed ice in my soda. Perky got it stuck like a holster.
Imagine life without me. It's a waste of time. The kind of love that can make a child do it just anybody. Good love, fill my body up like a glass when you pour it all out. If you know me, you know I mind. Someone like me is hard to find. No mistaking if I am there, well aware you are always mine. And still you seem so surprised. Always gonna be mine. Wanna be where you are, I just can't walk away. You drive me crazy. I lose it. And I wanna be where you are, I just can't walk away. You drive me crazy. I lose it.
Imagine me circling through life without a piece of you. 7 out of 7 days I'm needing you. You bring life to the party. Good love feels like butterflies suffocating your insides. It's a late night, you know I'll try. I cannot picture when you ride. I'm mistaken thinking you were taken, knowing that you were always mine. And still I feel so surprised. You're always gonna be mine. Rarely ever missing, talk is cheap and time is ticking. Rarely ever tricking, catch me slipping, that pussy was leaking. All my missions, paying millions, I'm Ted DiBiase. LA night, I'm sinning, still a Christian, I'm tell my deacon. I mean pastor, oil her down and talking caster. Around 6-7 bitches with no tent, you can see I'm pimping. Big 4-5 my hip, like I'm limping, never simping. When my cousins crippin', always gripping, shit get dangerous. Always keep it playable, swallow hoes, I'm never tripping. I love my mother, my sister, my daughter. All these hoes get slaughtered, can't mind, pray tell the Father.
Left my heart and my soul, you see that I ran. Rings of gold and awards sit on my nightstand. I've got something they want, but it's mine to get. Free my struggles, detach me from this island. Leave my knuckles, attack me for my finance. I'm dealing with this pain, I just can't let you come throw it away. So I run.
On my tippy toes, undefeatable, no L, still 6-0, run around town, profile mentality. Bad on 10-6, rinsing under me. D-do acting like we ain't what I wanna be. Got me tickle trying to act so selfishly. Pocket full of green stacked up like a pot of peas. Big boy dog walking around with a lot of taste on quick, go so fast. Every day I gotta make it count, every second gotta make it last. Roll around, do the double dash. Big blow on my skin, taking off the 10, 9, 8. Hold up, wait, got a date. Ladies love my speed, quick to run up trees. Who you sing like me? Nobody. Standing in my lane, best friend named Tails. Balance running on rails, I can never fail.
I've been acting little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still acting the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been landing the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been standing at the store. Carbon sitting on the seat in the flow. Carbon sitting on the seat in the flow. Barking, I put that knife on your throat. Torture, I'ma step out of that hole. Walking designer, hit down to the toe. I'm a strip club, I do it. Hit on that throat, she'll go. Smashing that throat, she'll go. Feeling like an igloo now. Goons ready to hit you now.
Bring the big F out the house. Let them fuck niggas know who really get foul. 400,000 right now. 400,000 on me right now. Pull up on scene, try and hit it right now. I wrap the Bentley in snow. Pull up at the house, she waiting outside. The little bitch is ready to go. Got a 6 stars, brown like boot. It's still my brother, that nigga the truth. Nigga the truth. 25,000 for 8 of my teeth. $3,000 for each every twin too close. Pull back the top, shoot out the roof. Poof. I'ma stop putting these bitches on martyr. I'ma stop putting broke hoes on charters. Brother too muddy, he been too much. If he stand in the tub, might black out the water. I was 20 years old with 6 different whips. Perfect good help about 10 different scripts. I get cheaper to boot out. And niggas be flexing, now this ain't the same. Promises more for my shit playing. Niggas APs be looking like change. Don't you forget who showed you more. Showed you the life and you thought it was strange. How to drive a pick your ass up from the Grange in a black range. I forgot bad hoes could be lame.
Pardon me, I've been acting little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting pro. Pardon me, I've been acting little po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still acting the store. Pardon me, I've been still acting po. Pardon me, still been in the store. Pardon me, I'm about to shit on this beat. Pardon me, I just went crazy on the free. Pardon me, I cooked that bon appetit. Pardon me, I bought Chanel for 10 G. Just for the pills of my syrup on my weed. Pull out that lamb, I got somewhere to be. I'm on that, she like, hit from the back and go deep and go. I'm on that, she on that, we on that, they on that. Crocodile spilling all over the bird. Bought her a bird, coulda went bought a verb. Sipping on syrup, got my cup turning perp. Pardon me, I got my side bitch on fleek. Swapped out the AP and bought the Philippe. Baguettes on her ankle, she walks so elite. Flex up a season, she whipping big B. Double my cup, man, I'm going on that E. BVS cut, she done turned to a free. Driving the roads and I came out the key. Play with that drum like I'm Tommy Lee. Counted that money, y'all might just OD. I took the R out, a free charge of fee. Me and Lil Yachty done called us static. Pardon me, I've been still acting pro. Pardon me, still been standing at the store. Carbon sitting on the seat in the flow. Carbon sitting on the seat in the flow. Barking, I put that knife on your throat. Torture, I'ma step out of that hole. Walking designer, hit down to the toe. Name a strip club, I do it. Hit on that throat, she'll go. Smashing that throat, she'll go. Feeling like an igloo now. Goons ready to hit you now.
God damn, nigga.
What's up, brother?
Yachty, what's good? I'm on stream right now.
What's the word?
The chat was just saying, please call Yachty right now and tell him to officially drop the freestyle.
I said less. I got your blessing, I'll drop it.
Look. Creep. Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up in him on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip it down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill. I caught your line, Tammy, and I fuck with your steel. There's so many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit, I might run for Senate. I got a bitch up in the kitchen wearing them coochie cutters. Bring my doggy out that cell, straight up out the gutter. We been them niggas ever since position needed feeling. And I fear I didn't see it, it was just me and Dylan. It was just me and Justin. Gripping her hair while she taught me might give her concussion. I don't like discussions, I'm too rich for fussing. Look her dead in her eyes and how that pussy bustin'. I ain't never cuffin'. Bring my corner, baby doggy psyched out still. Yeah, baby daddy broke, no need for him to ride a wheel. I put paint on my nails, bitches fucking still. It's so money in my bank that I'm spinning still. Lifestyle shit get twisted, I been living shady. I been beating up that sack like I'm Devin Haney. I don't need a rap friend, I'ma step solo. I try anything once the lifestyle yellow. I don't wanna be posted on the blogs, I don't wanna answer calls. I did this shit for my dogs, I just beat up your mall. I just beat up my wrist, I was ducking IRS. I was taking that risk, I was taking that bitch. I was flying air Drake, so I was taking that switch. Bitch, yeah. They gave me guns at 18, ain't know what to do. Fuck a sack up at a jeweler, I was going stupid. Fell in love with a teller, I don't know Cupid. Gotta tell my stepper no, cause he'll really do it. Anywhere, everywhere, he don't give a damn. Empty the clip, reload the clip, we call it sleight of hand. My memory bad, so I'm fucking baby, I don't cam. Go take a cold, I copped RP to couple lambs. That boy's not a king, penny sold a couple grams. He ain't no gangster, grew up better than Adonis Graham. It's us.
I gotta start dropping these, man.
You got a lot.
Fuck mixtape, fuck deluxe, YouTube. Oh yeah, the YouTube. Drop that shit, man. I be going.
It's us. Keeping the keys top. Keeping the keys on the. It's us. The keys to the rock, my boys. Go. Okay. Slap. Yeah. Green. Give me the keys to the coupe when I pull out. Give me the keys to the green when I pull out. Give me the keys to the coupe, I'ma pull out. Green. Give me the keys to the coupe, I'ma skirt. Go. Tell that shit. Yeah. Okay. Concrete boys. Give me the keys to the coupe, I'ma pull out. Gotta work counts, cause I do not pull out. Walk in the spot 50 deep with the tool out. They know that it's us, show out at the cookout. Go. We getting money, don't care about what they on. Us. Finger fuck hundreds at home all alone in the suit with a still like Capone. Bro from the Jackson, like Shimon. I took the chrome to chrome. Shimon. I took this bitch a bone. Easy. I made her leave the phone, yes. Yeah. Who said we ain't made records? Go. Rich ass still eating checkers. Still pull up double decker. Boys. Still control the whole mecca. Still that nigga, still. I still fuck her, I will. Might put this bitch in my will. You gon' do what? You tripping, nigga. I'm us. Chill. Fucking this bitch in the hills, I ain't even licking, she wet as an ill. Nigga, I'm just talking. Oh my God. Get on these beats and I'm not even rapping, I'm literally flossing and walking. Walk. Get on these beats and I'm literally walking. On God, I really be flossing. Walk. Beats in the sheets, hit that bitch from the back with the pussy inside of a coffin. Somehow these folks think this shit easy. Guess I make it look that good. I'm sipping wine on Fiji. All my bitches needy. All my bitches need me. Bought one of them Birkins. Got the other Speedies. The other one for our birthday. Rented out a tiki. She said if you die then I'm dying. Nigga, you not leaving me. Damn bitch for sure. I fuck a white bitch in a day. But I only have a baby with a brown one. That's for sure. I've been mixing syrups like I'm tryna cure bronchitis. On my fourth cup, I got the itis. All these sticks, baby, but we the new Al-Qaeda. Kicking down a hoe from Onyx. Yeah, geeking, I can barely speak. It sound like I've been hooked on phonics. Ooh, I'm in love with Sonics. Too much love for my gang. I'm in love with the fact I made it through the pain. I'm in love with the fact I'm not a stain. She in love with the fact I'm not an ex. Niggas was not around when I was struggling with decks. Tryna plot the mood as next.
Jumping out the legs. Get on my shoes a size bigger just for bitches next. I look at these hoes like pets. Look at these niggas like $1. I finessed them so bad. Probably thought I have no father. Need to get off your ass. Get off my dick and go get stars. Cause this rapping ain't for you. Neither is flipping a brick. You need to go and flip food. Forget the first name. You bitches need to remember not the two. Us.
Yeah. Go. Yeah, I turned up all my crew. Creed made $1 million and recouped. I promise that's not news. Go. Every Maybach new. Way before we had the light, I promise both still knew. What else? Every show price grew. Facts. Bro, baby, daddy gang. Should've tied your tubes. Facts. Nigga, have some shame. This shit on your name. Any rap nigga go against the game. We gon' put some stars in the ground, make a walk of fame. Girl, don't be ashamed. You fuck me and my homie, promise we is just the same. You is not no hoe. If you knew what I know, I can't let you hold me down. I'm going up, I told her let me go. Bought a Prada bag, she gave me top. We went blow for blow. Blowing 100, she blowing me. I'm saying concrete boys front row, fucking front and center, stepping on whatever pussy let me know. Many niggas left the earth, not many left for mark. I died for mine, I was in the dark like Bane. I'm tryna make it spark, not only for me. This shit bigger, can't you see? Open your eyes, I'm out your lead. The block get hot, 500 degrees. Ready for war, see blood on the leaves. So many carrots in my ear, niggas ain't talking about shit that I need. She want me to trick and plant my seed. Can't play with you bitches, got mouths to feed. Married to the money, guarantee all the finer things. Treat me like a god, give you everything, but don't lie to me. Obviously, it's time for me. The clock keep ticking, I bind the beat. Ain't sparing none of you niggas or bitches. This shit get wicked, my mind's a G. 100% concrete. All my niggas will die for me. Grammy family, and they know it's us trying to get that nominee.
Got the green thumb for the play these Scotty seeds and let them grow. Thought it mean something, got the neck out and forgot the hoe. Give her about an hour, she sold her power. She done took a test. He ain't want the funk. Like he claimed shit, it was too much pressure. Walked up in the store 3 hours ago. Shit, I'm still in it. Shit can't be that real. Make too many reels on them folks up in your business. Day we had was so dope. Cracked me a seal, it was so appealing. I done became your master to run it up faster. Believe it, the first one with it. All I did was stay down. All you had to do was stay. I don't got no piles with me. Let that shit begin with pay. Pour your re-up on the lake. Forgot that bitch was on the way. How many times I told you we next? What if I told you it started today? Pussy. Sus.
Forever. Creep. Oh. No, I'm gonna die for mine. No, I'm gonna die for mine. Creep. Know the way it goes. Keep your head high, stay 10 toes. Bound to die for mine. I'm bound to die for mine. Creep.
Yachty, what's going on? I'm on stream right now.
What's the word?
The chat was just saying, please call Yachty right now and tell him to officially drop the freestyle.
I said less. I got your blessing, I'll drop it.
Look. Creep. Same nigga breaking down hoes left and right. Yo, I was counting up an M on a private flight. Yo, all this chrome on my body like a medieval knight. I was fucking up a sack on that purple Sprite. Yeah, all my bitches beneficial, even told a pistol. Even blow it like a whistle, lie to officials. I'll drip it down in crystals if I know you're real. How you geeking out your body off a pink pill? I caught your line, Tammy, and I fuck with you still. So many properties I bought, I'm king of the hill. Fuck nigga need to learn his place before we put him in it. Stepping and swinging, I'm running shit.